Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to teach question number 5, subdivision 1 and 2 from the exercise 2.4. This is for class 9 students from NCERT syllabus. Chapter is polynomials. Given here is, we have to factorize the given polynomial. So let us consider the given polynomial as p of x. Here we have to find the factors of the given polynomial. We will consider the given polynomial as p of x. You can see the degree of x is in the descending order. So here the highest one is 3, which means you will be having 3 factors. Let us find one by one. So the first step is always consider this last one, which is constant, that is 2 here. Now you have to write the factors of 2. What are the factors of 2? We know that the factors are 1 and 2 itself. Okay, so we know the factors are 1 and 2. So now we have to consider both positive and negative one. We'll definitely get our first factor out of these 4 numbers. So that's why we are writing positive, negative and positive, negative. Let us start applying one by one. Here I'll consider the first one. Let x is equal to 1. I'm writing the first one. So when we are applying x value as 1, write p of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. Here 1 cube is 1 minus 2 into 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 2. Now remove the bracket by multiplying 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Positive 1, negative 1. When you add, it will be 0. Minus 2 plus 2. When you add, it will be 0. Now we have got p of 1 as 0. We know that by factor theorem, when the remainder is 0, definitely this number is a factor. If x is equal to 1, we can say x minus 1 is a factor. We can write x minus 1 is the factor. Now we have got our first factor here. We need 2 more. Because out of 3 we have first factor, we need 2 more. For finding the next 2 factors, this step is very important. So please observe very carefully. We are going to divide by the first factor. What is the first one? That is x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1 is the divisor. We are going to divide this polynomial. I have given quotients here. So this is x cube. We are going to divide by the first term. That is x cube divided by x. We know that x cube is x into x into x by x. We'll be getting x square. Now we are going to write this x square in the quotient. Okay. Now multiply one by one. X into x square, it is x cube. Okay. Now minus 1 into x square. Minus 1 into x square gives us minus x square. Here we are writing minus x square. Now we are going to subtract as we do in the division. To subtract it, just change the sign. So x cube, it is positive, change the sign to negative. Okay, so I have written in the different color. Now it is negative, now change the sign to positive. X cube minus x cube, it is 0. Okay, now here minus 2x square plus x square. Okay, now when you are changing the sign, it has become positive. Now when you add it, what happens? It will be minus x square. Now it is minus x square here. Okay, we'll be bringing the next term down. So it is minus x. Now again we have to do the same as we did in the first step. First term minus x square. Divide by x, that is minus x into x by x. When you cancel this, answer is minus x. So now the minus x will be applied here. Now multiply x into minus x, it is minus x square. Minus 1 into minus x, it is minus into minus will be plus, it will be x only. It is plus x. Okay, now again we have to change the sign to subtract. Now minus will become plus. Okay, what is the sign here? Plus. It will become minus. Okay, now minus x square plus x square, it is 0. Okay, here minus x addition, the same minus x, it is minus now x here. It is minus 2x. Now write minus 2x. Now bring the last term down. Plus 2. Okay, now we have to find the quotient, the same as the first procedure. Consider the first x by the next one. Now write minus 2x here. This should be in the numerator divided by x, which is, you can simply say it is minus 2. Now write minus 2. Okay, now multiply x into minus 2. That is, x into minus 2 is minus 2x. We know that minus 2x. Minus 1 into minus 2, it is plus 2. Okay, now we are going to subtract again. So change the sign, it will be plus. For plus, this sign will be minus. So minus 2x plus 2x will be 0. Plus 2 minus 2, it will be 0. Now the answer is 0. We have got 0 as the remainder. So which means both are the factors. So we can definitely say the divisor and the quotient, both are the factors. So therefore x minus 1 and x square minus x minus 2 are the factors. Here we have got x minus 1. Second, we have to factorize this one as well. How to factorize this? Simply multiply 1 into minus 2. It is minus 2. Okay, you have to think of two numbers. When you multiply, you should get 2 here. So let us multiply 1 and 2. That is the only option. 1 and 2, you will get 2 here. Now, when you add these two numbers, you should get minus 1. This is 1 here, minus 1. So how to get? It will be plus 1 minus 2. So now check again. Plus into minus minus, 1 2s are 2. When you add it, it will be minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So directly we can write x minus 1. Here we can write, this is the first factor, x plus 1, because the variable is x. Add x here. Okay, the same way x minus 2 are the factors of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. As you can see, we have got 1, 2, 3 factors which is needed. Let us move on to the second question. The same way, let us do the second one. Write the given polynomial as p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now this is the number which is very important, and you will have your first factor here. That is, for 5, we'll be having two factors. That is, 1 and 5 are the only two factors. Okay. Now you have to write the negative of this number as well. It is minus 1, minus 5. You will be getting your first factor out of this 4 numbers. Let us start from the first one, which is 1. Now let x is equal to 1. So now applying 1 here, it is p of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. When you multiply, 1 cube is 1, minus 3 into 1 square is 1 only. So it will be minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. It is minus, add the numbers, 12 minus 17. When you add all the negative numbers, it is minus 17. So it will be minus 16. P of 1 is minus 16, which is not equal to 0. Definitely this 1 is not a factor. Okay. Now let us move on to the next one, that is minus 1. Let x is equal to minus 1. Apply here. So p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Now minus 1 cube is minus 1. We know that. So just expand this one. Minus 3 into minus 1 square is positive 1. Now multiply these two signs. Minus into minus will be plus 9. The last is minus 5. Now remove the bracket. Minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. When you add all the negative numbers, you will be getting 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. It is negative 9 plus positive 9, which is, when you add it, it will be 0. That is, p of minus 1 is 0. When x is equal to minus 1, we have got the remainder as 0. Definitely this is a factor. So we can write, therefore, bring this minus 1 to the other side. It is x plus 1 is a factor. So the next step is we have to do the division. To find the other two factors, we have to divide the given polynomial by the first one, that is x plus 1. Here we will be finding the quotients. The first step is write the first term, that is x cube. Divide by the first term of the divisor, that is x. We know that x cube divided by x is x square. So I am writing the answer here, that is x square. Now multiply x into x square, it is x cube. 1 into x square, it is plus 1x square. Okay, when you subtract it, you will be changing the sign. X cube, here it is positive, change the sign as negative, it is subtraction. Now it is again positive, here change the sign, it is negative. Now x cube minus x cube, it is 0. The same way minus 3x square, now it is negative x square. Okay, now when you add it, it will be minus 4x square, because both are like terms. Add the numbers, it is minus 4x square. Bring the next term here, that is minus 9x. Now we have to find the quotient, that is the first term divided by the first term. What is the first term here? Minus 4x square divided by the first one, that is x. We will be getting 1x will be cancelled here, it is minus 4x. Write minus 4x here. Now multiply, it is minus 4x square. Again 1 into minus 4x, it is minus 4x. Now to subtract, change the sign. It is negative, it will be now opposite sign, positive, the same here. Subtract it, minus 4x square plus 4x square, it is 0. Now here minus 9x, what is the sign here? Plus 4x. You can see it is opposite sign, subtract it, it will be minus 5x. Minus 5x. Okay, now bring the last one down, minus 5. The same way, write the first term. What is the first term here? Minus 5x divided by first term again x. Okay, when you cancel, the answer is minus 5. Write the minus 5 here, minus 5. Now multiply, minus 5 into x, it is minus 5x. 1 into minus 5, minus 5. When you subtract it, again it will be 0 only, because it is positive, positive. So opposite sign, minus 5x plus 5x, it is 0. Minus 5 plus 5, it is again 0. Okay, now when the remainder is 0, we can say both of them are factors. Therefore, x plus 1, x square minus 4x minus 5 are the factors. We have to factorize x square minus 4x minus 5 also. How to factorize this? 1, this is 1 here, 1 into 5, it is 5. Okay, now you have to check for two numbers. When you multiply, you should get 5. Only one option we have got, 1 into 5 is 5. When you add the two numbers, you should get minus 4, which is the middle term. So how to get minus 4? If you are making plus 1 and minus 5. So when you multiply, it is plus into minus, minus 5. That is the last one, that is minus 5. When you add, you will be getting 4x. These are the two numbers which we need. Now therefore we can write x plus 1 for x. So the next one is x plus 1 is the next factor, and then we have got x minus 1, x minus 5, or the factors of x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Okay. I hope you must have understood both the sums which I have solved in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.